The girl there is lively.
Mae fwch yn fwyog.
Mae'r fech yna'n fywiog.
Close.
They're lively today, but that's children for you.
Maen nhw'n disgwyl yn fwyog heddiw, ond dyna plant ych chi. Surprise myself.
The two girls are grown up.
Mae ddwy fwch
Mae'r ddwy fech wedi tyfu lan.
fech.
Give us a pause there. Whoa, what a stint. You're doing superbly well there.
Beginning was rough, but we got it in the end.
You're doing really, really well there.
Thanks.
Is it feeling good?
Yeah, it's feeling good. Yeah, I really enjoy doing Welsh. Dwi'n mwynhau dysgu siarad Cymraeg.
There's one thing I want to just flag up for you ever so slightly. The sound ferch.
Ferch.
You've slipped a couple of times into ddwy fywch.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm doing that. What does that even mean?
Yeah, so you've just gone from two girls there to two cows.
Right, okay.
So it would be an entertaining one for me to have kept quiet about. But from now on, whenever you get to Vech, there'll be a lump in your head going, whoa, careful, careful.
Okay, yeah. So I need to say verch.
Vech, yeah.
Okay.
It's there most of the time, but it's just very, very entertaining when you go to ddwy fywch.
Verch. Okay.
But otherwise, just superb. I'm really happy with how that's going.
Thank you.
You've got to be too. You're enjoying it.
I'm enjoying it. The beginning was rough.
Yeah.
But we're getting there.
It isn't possible to go through this process any better than you're doing. So that's got to be encouraging. How are you feeling? Are you feeling tired?
No, I feel okay.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Dwi'n hapus iawn, ond dwi'n dysgu siarad Cymraeg mwy. Dwi'n meddwl yn barod dysgu eto.
Oh.
Maybe.
So ti'n siarad Cymraeg?
Diolch.
Oeddet ti'n ffilmio hynna?